Hello friends, I welcome you all in this new video. Today I am sharing the Nelbo reviews with you. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from here, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer to your question. Is Nelbo scam or legit? If you have ever experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. Now coming back to the website, Nelbo is an e-store that is selling salon style nail kit. This kit is designed in such a way that you can easily use it at your home. You will find every necessary item which is needed to make a salon grade nails in this kit. The kit is available at a reasonable price and the portal seems quite user friendly. Now talking about the payment option, the company accepts Google Pay, Visa, Mastercards, JSB and a lot of other online transaction system. Talking about the shipping details, guys, we have to click just over here and from here we can know the shipping details. They provide worldwide shipment and also the shipping time is for 2 business days, and here you can see the different shipment type according to your location. Now before going any further, I request you all to like this video, share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as this will help us in providing more such revealing videos for you. Now let us discuss some important points that says whether this website is legit or a scam. The website has a genuine HTTPS connection, which is a great sign as it will secure all your payment information. Coming to the age of the website, it was registered on 17th May 2019, which means it is 460 days old. This is a great sign as new websites never have credibility. Let us have a quick look on the About Us page of this website. So guys, this is their About Us page where they are describing about their business, but the content seems quite limited. Apart from that, we must check the contact details they are providing. So they are providing an email address that matches their domain name, which is a great sign. They're also providing office address, return address as well as phone number. This is a really good sign for a legit site. Now coming to the social media presence, guys, this website has active social media handles on both Facebook and Instagram, and the accounts are having a huge sum of followers, which means people are interested in its products. Talking about the return policy, we have to go down and just click on this refund and return policy. So guys, they provide a 14 days return policy, and if you want to refund or return the item, then please go through this page. Guys, if you have any experience with this return or refund policy, please let us know in the comment section. Coming to the customer review, we came across several customer review on the internet. A huge number of customers were fully satisfied with the product kit, and the website has good reviews on internet. Talking about the content quality, the website is providing accurate content quality, which is a good sign. Even the pictures and the banner seems to be genuine. Apart from that, I also mentioned about the customer review, which is very good, as you can see right here on the website. This is, they are talking about how their product works, and apart from that, we would like to provide the final verdict. I will recommend this site to you as there are no such drawbacks that would be harmful for people. This is a legit site and there is no limitation, so you can definitely trust the website. As I also mentioned in the starting that I will let you know the way to get your money back from the site. If you have felt any fraud over this site, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought over this video. Guys, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be saved. Thank you for watching this video.